Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Waukegan, local and long-distance movers near me. First, let's define what a long-distance move is. When you move from one place to any other location that's 50 miles away, you move to a long distance. If this location remains within the same city, you're moving long distance but intrastate. If the location is outside the city, then it's an interstate move. You can employ us when you're moving within the same area or outside the state. All authorities and government bodies concerned with moving companies are aware of our business. We have taken the time out to add insurance policies to ensure the safety of your luggage during the relocation process. Our drivers are also excellent and responsible, so your luggage will usually get home without any hitch. We offer all the services at an affordable price, so there's no fear of high prices. If you're moving within the same locality, you will save a lot of money. When you employ us to help you, you'll save money because our prices are pocket friendly. We charge between $30 to $40 per hour. When you trust us with the job you'll be getting, we ensure you get value for your payment. Our team of movers is excellent at discovering hidden locations, so your belongings can never get lost. With our experience, we will advise you on the best way to move to your new place. Our plans are excellent, which is why we have so many local reviews. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Waukegan moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.